Hey and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how to get smooth stone in Minecraft. So the only thing you need pretty much is a silk touch pickaxe, which makes it easier but it's not required. Then you want to mine this stone so that it doesn't become cobblestone like you see. If you do it with a normal pickaxe without silk touch, it's going to drop cobblestone and it'll make this process a little bit slower. So what you then want to do is you want to go to a normal furnace. Let's see, one that has coal in it, so this one. And you just want to put it in, like that. If you do it with normal cobblestone, you have to smelt it 2 times in the furnace. So as you can see, now we have a beautiful block of smooth stone, which I like to use for builds myself. I think it's a very pretty block. That's pretty much all there is to this video. If we helped you out, please consider subscribing and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.